Before you order anything from Kaia Sydney, you might want to pause for a minute because what looks like a massive fashion discount store can sometimes hide important red flags that most shoppers miss. KaiaSydney.com presents itself as an online fashion shop offering clothing, bags, footwear, and accessories at very large, exclusive discounts, which at first glance can look attractive for budget buyers. But when checking the background details, several caution signals appear. The domain was registered in November 2025, which makes the website very new, and brand new stores with aggressive discounting often require extra verification before trusting them with payments. There are also multiple scam-related complaints reported on Trustpilot, with customers mentioning issues like orders not arriving or experiences not matching what was advertised. Another concern is reports of fake or non-working tracking numbers, where buyers say they received shipment codes that either never updated or didn't exist in carrier systems. Customer support responsiveness is another weak point, as several users claim they did not receive replies after contacting the store about their orders. Product research also shows that some images used on the site appear to be copied from other online sources, which is commonly seen with dropshipping or imitation storefronts. At the same time, very new stores can sometimes suffer from setup and logistics problems in their early phase, so not every delay order automatically proves fraud. But the combination of a new domain, complaint patterns, tracking issues, and support silence increases purchase risk. The safest approach is to use protected payment methods, avoid large orders, and verify reviews from multiple independent sources before buying.